I just be chilling, but I so need to wash my hair. I so need to wash. I can't even tell y'all the last time I washed my hair. I need to wash my hair, and I'm starting to see it. Hi y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So today I'll be giving y'all a Loc update. I know it has been a while since I have updated y'all or even post a video, but I have been living my best life. I've been doing a little bit of traveling, and I really haven't been thinking about like uploading YouTube just because I am 4 months Loc now. Oh, 4 months. 4 years Loc now. I feel like there's not a lot to update y'all on, but I had to get out of that mindset because there is a lot to update y'all on. For the month of August, my plan is to be consistent every single week. I am going to try to upload a Loc video. I'm going to try to upload a Loc video. And also I want to get into my plants. So I should be uploading 2 videos a week. I want to upload a Loc video and a plant video. That is the plan because there is content to be made. I literally love these 2 things so dearly, my Locs and my plants, so why not share that with the world? This Loc video is going to be pretty much a short Loc update because my Locs haven't done too much of a change besides grow. Baby, I got them inches. While I do this Loc update video, I am going to moisturize my Locs, so y'all can kind of see what my Locs look like. So what I'm going to use to moisturize my hair today is my spray bottle. It has aloe vera juice in it and water, nothing special. I'm going to use this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine. I like to use this because it smells so good, and I am a vanilla girly. If I could just wake up every day smelling like vanilla, like that's me. Like, I love vanilla. This doesn't really give me as much moisture that I would like it to give, so I like to go in with the Talia Wajid the Talia moisturizer, y'all. I want to pronounce her name. I need to look it up. I just need to look it up. I like to go in with the Protective Mist Bonder leave-in conditioner spray, and this is what it looks like. I got it at my local beauty supply store. I was mixing it with my spray bottle, but it seems to work best if I spray my hair first, then use this later. Like, I'm still trying to learn how to moisturize my Locs because they be shedding. They shed. And I know I explained in like some of my past videos how my Locs feel dry, and one person told me like that's how Locs are supposed to feel, and I don't believe that. I feel like my Locs should not be feeling dry because when they feel dry, they shed more. It makes me feel like my hair's not growing because it's shedding. So let me take my Locs down so y'all can see how long they have gotten. I have not done a retwist in a while. It's been a minute, to be honest with y'all. I plan on retwisting next week, and that will be a video, right? It'll be a Loc video. So this is what my Locs look like. They have grown. They've grown, y'all. I've been waiting for this day. I honestly still kind of feel like my Locs are short because I want them to be longer, but they are kind of mid-back length now. Let me show y'all the back. So yeah, they're getting long. Ooh, I do need to wash my hair. But yeah, this is what my Locs are looking like. The ends, very healthy. But let's get into this Loc update. I don't even know where to start. I haven't done an update in so long. I'm trying to work on moisturizing my Locs a little bit better, or a little bit more than I have, because I've been struggling with moisturizing my hair for the longest because it's just like, do I really need to moisturize my Locs? Yeah, I do. I feel like I have found some weak spots in my Locs, and that's probably from not moisturizing my Locs. And I have not dyed my hair at all in my whole Loc journey, so I feel like that's the only reason I'm finding weak spots in my Locs. like this one. You probably can't tell, but like right here, like it's a weak spot. It's a weak spot right there. And that has to be for moisture. Like, it's not even locked. It's kind of like a coil. I have a few of those in my locks, and I'm just like, what's going on? But the truth is, I have not been moisturizing my hair at all. This week, I started moisturizing my hair on the regular. What else? Y'all, when I tell y'all, I have nothing to update y'all on. This is the Talia Wajid. I haven't done anything crazy to my locks. I know I talked about dyeing my hair for the longest, but I have not done that because I feel like if I dye my hair, I'm gonna big chop my locks off because I don't tolerate nonsense. And if my hair starts acting crazy, it will get chopped.
It will get chopped.
So I haven't really done anything crazy to my locks. I just been letting them live. I retwisted only 2 times this year. I have been lazy. Lazy is not even the word for how lazy I've been. I just been so lazy when it comes to my locks. I haven't really been styling my hair for real. I just been letting it hang. Like, sometimes if I do go out or something, I'll try to do a cute little style, but I don't really be styling it for real. I just let them chill. I let them do what they do. I wear a scrub cap at work. It is a satin lined scrub cap, so it doesn't really snag or dry my hair out throughout the day. But other than that, like, I don't do anything to it. I just be chilling. But I so need to wash my hair. I can't even tell y'all the last time I washed my hair. I need to wash my hair, and I'm starting to see it. I always like to put a little reminder photo of where I came from. I have came a long way. I have been through this loc journey with most of y'all. A lot of y'all have been here since like my very first year of being locked, and I really do appreciate all the support y'all have shown me and the love y'all have shown me. A lot of y'all aren't really that far behind me when it comes to loc journeys, and y'all are also hitting these milestones. So I really hope y'all are enjoying y'all's locks and they are just thriving as much as mine are. I do want to do a Q&A video, so if you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section and I will make a Q&A video if that's something y'all want to see. Look forward to a retwist video from me very soon within the next few weeks. And that is the end of my loc update. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.